Watch this dog's reaction when an unexpected event happened. He was chilling and playing with his favorite toy. Then suddenly someone entered the room. The dog was surprised and couldn't believe his eyes. It was his favorite toy in a human form. The dog kept staring at it, and it felt like a dream. But you won't believe what he did next. He stood up slowly like a Hollywood actor, then walked towards the toy. His owner couldn't stop laughing when the following happened. He reached the toy, smelled it, and then touched it to make sure it's real. And once the toy hugged him, the dog got very happy and excited. He kept wagging his tail and jumping happily. How cute is that?